know what time it is. Let's get it. All right, so today we're just gonna be learning halos, okay? Halos are super easy. They're windmills, but with a stab, right? You're gonna stab, and then you're gonna push up to your head. So if you do not have windmills, go watch my windmill tutorial, and then come back to this, all right? So let's get to it. This time, you're gonna swing like in a U shape. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna swing in a U shape, all right? A U shape. Whatever leg you swing with, it's gonna come up, down, and then back up. All right, so a really good exercise to practice once you get into that position, hang 10 freezes, okay? This is a hang 10 freeze. So practice doing your windmill to that freeze. After that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna push up and over to get onto your head. So it's gonna be like this. All you're gonna do is push up and over. Like so. Twerk, twerk. That's pretty much the halo. You just have to practice it so it's all fluid, so it all goes together. All right, and to do multiple halos, it's the same for every other power move. You just gotta think about the move before you do it. So what you're gonna do is, after you're done with the first one, you're gonna immediately, all right, so you push off, right? Bam, and then you push off, right? You're immediately gonna whip over to the other side. To the next one. This allows, so it's like a slinky effect, right? This allows the upper part of your body to get to the ground before your legs do. That way, you get traction on the ground, and then you can pull your legs for another one, all right? I'm not really good at doing multiples, but I'll try. Hey, who would've knew? Once you get good at them, you can start doing variations. So hopefully this tutorial helped. If it didn't, tell me how I can, describe it better or whatever. I got more tutorials coming for you guys. Like and subscribe. Yeah. All right, peace.